Welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about the Ender 3 version 3, and I got to play with it quite a bit, and then things got busy and I didn't get to report on it to show anything that I did. So we're going to see if I can recreate recording this horse. So I have to go into the Creality here, and I did make this fidget thing. I like I like gears, sprockets, and tools. This is the one I made. This one here, the fidget live tech. And then let's see. Oh, here's the horse I made. So this horse that I made, I downloaded it. So let's see. K1C, Creality high plate, Creality high plate, Creality high plate. Now, since I can't, Ender 3 version 3 KE, and so don't let me lead you down the wrong path, but I'm going to pick this one, KE. And we're going to go with that, download this, then load. Okay, let's see what happens. This version is newer than Creality prints. Found polling unrecognized. You should update your software. Well, I did update my software. Okay, so there's the horse. We got the horse right there. And this is the one that I printed. Now, we slice the plate. Now, I haven't done this for a while, so I'm trying to remember. So we got it going on right here. Now it's been sliced and looking good. I don't see any warnings. And we're up here. We got the NEKE. Now click to edit preset. We are going to pick up here. We are going to pick Ender 3 version 3 right there. So we're going to save that. You have changed some settings. Preset 20 standard Creality Ender 3. You can save or discard the presets you have modified or choose to transfer. Well, I'm going to click save. Okay. Now, let's see what we got. We're going to go here. We're going to close that. We got the horse. The horse is right there. Support enforcers are used, but support is not enabled. Please enable support. Let's see. Okay, we got enable support. Jump to here. Okay, we hit jump to here. And warning, support enforcers are used, but are not enabled. Please enable support. And I forgot where it's at. Where is it? Quality and support right there. Okay, enable support. We have enabled the support. Now you can tell I'm new to this and I'm losing my voice too, so that's not a good thing. But I'm going to try to push through to get this part of the video done, so please pardon my voice. Okay, we've done that. We've enabled the support. We're going to hit slice the plate. It's generating the support, slicing the plate, and we're watching it. Now the horse has changed. It looks very different now. You can see that the horse has got all these supports, and when I did that I was like shocked, like that doesn't even look like the horse, but I pushed through and I was able to print the horse. So then you would just send print. You have to pick over here. Now I can't send the print because I don't have Wi-Fi, so I have to put in my SD card. So let me grab that right now. All right, the SD card is in. Now, export G code. Is that the one I want? Let's see. Horse is the name of the file. Ender 3D, Ender 1. This is my SD card. Oh boy, my voice is going quickly. Okay, so we've got it. This is a card. We're going to click save. And now it is saved. So I don't have my screen on here, but I'm going to go eject the card, and the card is showing right there. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to walk you through voice-wise. I ejected the card, and I'm going to put it in the machine just to make sure that it did copy. And it was a success. The horse is on the SD card, and the machine recognizes it. So this horse that I printed was very complex. I didn't know what even support material is when I first started it, but this horse was so full of support material that it just took forever to dig it out. And I did damage one of the legs. That's a newbie thing. You need to learn. I need to learn. We all need to learn. So it came out very pretty. The silver, I like the silver filament. We're going to get into the print here, and it just came out really nice. It could be smoothed out. There could be things like that, but I was really thrilled with how it came out. It's got some nice attributes to it, some nice, it's a nice decorative item. Now, I did break the leg. I broke this leg right here. This leg had to be not glued back together. All I had to do was take wood burning iron and just touch it in a couple spots, and it just glued itself right back together again. I would like to say one thing about the Ender 3 version 3 SE. It has been a set it and forget it machine. I've had no troubles with it. The prints have come out great. The only thing I had was I was trying to print from the wrong file format. I went to another outside, not Creality print, and I forgot to bring it into Creality print and copy and do the slicer on the Creality print. So I was using STL code instead of the G code. So I thought my machine was broke. I thought it wouldn't read the SD card. I did a lot of research. There was people saying that it wouldn't read the SD card, so I thought that was my problem. So I misdiagnosed it. It was all my concern. I caused it by using the wrong file format that it was unable to read. So thanks for sitting with me through this, and catch you guys on the next one.